Welcome to Trade Confident. Man, it has been a crazy weekend in the markets. Things have just been exploding here. Guys, we ended up winning our 103rd win on this channel. Here's the crazy part about this. I'll show this to you guys so you guys can see transparency of where we exited. We entered this trade. We had 4 different buy limits. The first buy limit was on December 27th all the way down to January 21st. All right. We exited for 8.48% in the profit from the YouTube videos of keeping track of this trade. That's awesome. You guys all made profit on that. But if you guys joined me in the inner circle or the masterclass that I was showing you guys, it was the inner circle, now moved over to the masterclasses, I injected $14,000 and I entered into 2 different trades, Matic and Mana. Okay, the Matic trade right now is doing ridiculous, but we ended up exiting 25% of, we exited 50% of the Mana trade for 25% profit. When we exited this trade, the other 50% of that trade was exited for a total of 51.83% profit. This is the second highest amount we have ever exited in the market, behind ADA Cardano, where we exited for 82% profit last year, in the beginning of last year. Okay, guys? Crazy. So great job for everybody who took that trade with me in the now what's called the masterclass. But you guys did 51.83% profit. And there's other coins that we entered into when we did the $35,000 injection. If you did that with me, we are up close to 40-50% on some other coins right now. So I'll cover those in the videos to come. Guys, in the second half of this video, I'll show you how to get into the Telegram channel, how to get into our metrics here, how to take all of our trade calls, because I am entered into the new buy limits, guys, this morning for Mana to get back in here to ride this thing back up. So let's go over the technical analysis for Mana this morning. This is so exciting. All right, guys, the indicators you want: trend dashboard, price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. These are in the description under the bundle pack description. It's 82% off. Snag it. I don't care if it's a salesy video, guys. These indicators are making us money. 51%, guys, and we're watching for the drop. All right, guys, take a look at this. So the retail trader indicators that I really look at are the RSI, stochastic, MACD, and then the moving averages. Right now this morning, when retail traders are waking up, they're seeing most of their indicators are very bullish. So we are forming on a lower time frame what's called a bull flag. So I am looking for this to possibly see a continuation to the upside. However, we're running straight into what is called a quarters theory level of 350. All right, you guys need to be aware of this, because this is part of the reason why I exited 100% yesterday, because this is an overextended market. All right, come down here to the price versus well money flow. We can see the well money flow in green up here has been very high. Do you see some correlations here to what happens when the money flow gets high up here? The well money flow high shows us that that's where actual whales are looking to switch from long trades to short trades, but as well as sell their long trades because they've already made enough profit. We saw them move down here. Taking a look at when it was high over here, we saw this move down as well. We see when the well money flow is very high here, what do we see? We saw a drop back down, and then we saw what's called divergence, and this really dropped the market here. I use these 2 indicators in tandem together, and here's how I do this. Once you see the trend exhaustion in the top red section and well money flow is high, I am looking for that move back down. It's overextended. The previous time the trend exhaustion got up here and the well money flow is high was within these 3 to 4 candles right up in this area right here. That is what we're looking for the move back down, and that's what we ended up getting. Okay, very good prediction there. You look previous to this, what do you guys see happening right here? Do you want to know how to call jackpot trades in the market? Here's how you do this. When you see a price action that has a high and another higher high, price action, and you look straight down and you see the price versus well money flow, the well money flow in green, the price action in pink. You see the well money flow creating a high and a lower high, and the trend exhaustion also creates a high and a lower high. This is where the price is being magnetized down and not up. Literally, money's flowing out of this market while the price is trying to go up higher. That is a precursor for a huge drop down, and that's how you can call these drops in here, guys. That's what I'm looking for over here for that formation to be set up. But out of anything, guys, you need to be aware of this. When trend exhaustions get high and well money flow gets high, this is where you start seeing drops back down on the market, okay? Be very aware of this, and make sure you guys have these indicators on your charts. They're in the description under the bundle pack labeling, okay? I'll show this to you where you get this later. All right, watch that because I am expecting a drop back down here, and this is how we have actually exited all 103 trades are with these two indicators down here with the trend dashboard, and they've been doing very well for us. 51% is not bad, guys. Okay, let's take a look at this. Decentraland charts, we're going to go over it this morning. In order to access all the metrics and everything you see over here, guys, I'll make this very fast. We have our membership. It's $49 a month. This is going to be going up to $95 a month starting February 25th, which you guys literally have about 20... Today's the 7th, so you have 23 days left. No, excuse me, guys. No, 18. Wow, a lot less. You have 18 days left, and we are going to be up in our membership here. If you guys get in right now as members, you guys will stay at $49 a month forever, okay? All the metrics you're about to see me show you guys, you're going to get access to all those for every single one of our coins. You get into our Telegram channel that I showed you in the beginning, as well as the inner circle and the master classes. I'm not going to spend too much time on those. You guys can look at the inner circle here. You guys can look at the master classes over here. You guys can watch these classes that are coming out and more are coming. Okay, now let's get into the metrics. I just want to show you guys what you get with all this. Let's go over the metrics here. We're going to scroll down for Decentraland, which is called Mana. The emotional index, guys, is pushed up into the excited and the greedy section. All right, all these metrics will update every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So watch this when it updates this morning in 50 minutes, okay? When we see this pushed up this high into the greedy section here, this is where I am looking for wells and institutions to start shorting this and then dropping this price back down. This is an overextended market, guys. This thing cannot just keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. It's going to have a pullback. That's why I exited yesterday and took some profits and locked it in. Our account over here, guys, by the way, has gone up about $13,000 in the last 72 hours. $13,000, guys. Our break-even entry is actually, it's gone up about 14,000 because I calculated this off 146. So we're up about 14,000 in the last 72 hours because of this market going up. It is insane, guys, okay? So make sure, again, how are we doing this? In the bear market, we are using such good risk management that our account is probably going to be in profit before a lot of other accounts because of our dollar cost average entry strategy. I'll show that to you guys. Let's move down here. Trades in favor today. We're seeing that trades in favor are pushed up, and they were pushed up very close to the great trades and the good trades. This tells me this is an overextended market. You guys are going to hear me say this a lot. Watching for this drop back down. We don't take short trades on this channel, but what this means is you guys need to be setting up your next buy limits into this market here so you guys can take advantage of that just like I have done this morning, okay? Take a look at well and institutional smart money. As the price has started to head up here, we did see this pullback right here, which gave them, a great opportunity to buy this dip before it moved back up, but we are starting to see well and institutional smart money come out here and look to take this side of short trades. They did this before over here and the market ended up crashing back down. They did this prior over here when the market rallied up and everyone got very excited and then it started crashing back down. There are more times than not, far more times than not, where these guys will control the market. This is another reason why I exited that for us and we took some profits. So I am looking at this metric here to also show us a possible move back down, at least a nice higher low formation where we can get triggered into another trade and then ride this back up. Okay, to just enter in back right now, I do not believe is wise. Okay, so this is a bearish sign in the market. Guys, all these metrics, use them to your favor. Support and resistance prices. This is showing us that we have pushed up here where we're actually pushing above the resistance that we can see up here. Now support, I do think 290, let's take a look at 290 here, is definitely an area where we want to be watching. So 290 is putting us at this structure right here. I'll be honest with you guys. The first buy limit I have set up for you guys this morning is higher than this. I don't want to give it away because I want to keep it for our members, but it's higher and it's closer because I do not want this to happen. I don't want us to come down just a little bit and skyrocket back up. Okay, I don't want that to happen. So we're going to take advantage of this, but if we do start crashing, we need to make sure our buy limits are spread out, and that's what I've done for you guys this morning. Dollar cost average entries here, you guys who got down here are doing so ridiculously well. So those of you guys who got in down here on those dollar cost average entries, you are up about 74% in this market right now. Do you guys remember when I said these prices may never come back to this low again? That's what we're experiencing right now. Okay, taking a look at the exit points, I'm watching for this nether bar to come out here where we're going to get a red line, and then that's going to give us a possible sign of a drop back down here. Okay, moving down here, I'm going to keep the trade set up private for you guys today because actually, you know what? I can show this to you guys. I'll show this to you. These are not the current buy limits. If you use these, you will not get into the market where I'm at. Okay. Just want to make that clear. This morning, I actually updated every single one of these buy limits, all of them. So please don't use these. You will not get into the market when I get into them, because here's what's going to happen, guys. The moment we get into this next trade setup that you can take with me and we win that trade, we're going to log it in Telegram where we're going to go 104. Most likely we're going to win other trades before this trade wins. But I want to show you guys how to trade with us now. How have we won all of our 103 wins in a row? How have we done this? We've done it with this strategy right here. So click on any coin you want and follow me here, guys. Here's the chart. You can make this bigger, obviously. I just have my screen like pushed in half, so I'll make it bigger so you guys can see this. What you're going to do is simply take the amount that you want to trade each of our coins with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. Now place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. Okay, like I said, please don't use these. You will not get into the same trade as me. They have been updated. So 250, 250, 250, and 250, okay? That's where you guys will place them at the 4 different buy limits. Now, once your first buy limit has been hit, set up a sell them in green, which is the green up here, which has been updated as well. Make sure you guys set that up so you guys can, if the market explodes overnight, you get some money out of the market. Now, as you guys have this set up, that's fantastic. Make sure you then join me in the Telegram channel. A lot of people ask me this. They're like, Travis, I want to trade with you. I want to trade with you, and I want to make sure I'm entering and exiting the market with you. Okay, guys, here's your chance. Get in over here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time in 45 minutes. These will update, and those are the buy limits I'm using for the exact entries for Mana and Decentraland, okay? Once you set these up, sign into Telegram on your personal phone or your computer. Click this link, which is part of our membership access, and you guys will actually get a hot link into the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits for all the coins that we're in and giving you guys masterclass updates, okay? Last but not least, guys, let me end with this. The indicators you guys want, price versus money flow, trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard. These indicators right now are on the website. There's a link in the description. The bundle pack, you guys will see it's 82% off. This is what I'm talking about. Guys, we've never had this 82% off before. This is the best deal to get these indicators right now. Market's turning around, guys. You're making money. Get these tools on your side to call these drops over here. I'm going to be using this, and you will see how we actually use these throughout this year to call drops. It's how we've won these trades in the profit. Now, at minimum, you guys want to be getting the price versus money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These 3 are the ones you guys want to get. They are 40 to 60% off. You are literally going to get on some of these an extra 42% off just with the bundle pack, and they're basically the same price for the 3 that you need anyways. And you guys actually end up getting all 9 of these indicators in the bundle pack. Okay, real quick, let me end this with this. If you guys have ever purchased any individual indicators from us and you're like, hey, I want to get the bundle pack because it's such a good discount, just email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Also, you guys, btradeconfident@gmail.com. My team's ready to answer questions this morning already. Email them and say, hey, look, I purchased the price with money flow. Travis told me about the sale going on here. I want to get 82% off. Can you give me the difference between what I've already purchased and the bundle pack and set me up? And we'll do that for you guys, okay? So guys, that's it. Make sure you guys are coming over here and sign up for the membership. Make sure you guys are locked in before February 25th. You guys have, just a few more days here. This is going to be going up to $95, but you'll get access to all this. So set up those buy limits today, guys, on Decentraland, because I'm doing it with you guys, and we'll ride this thing back up. But congratulations for those of you guys who followed us. You guys took that 51.83% profit with me, and good job, guys, for coming out and winning that other trade of 8.48% and winning 103 for 103 wins with us. Guys, set up those buy limits. Get over here. I am watching for the drop here. If you guys saw the metrics and the indicators, majority, it's looking bearish. So watch for that drop, guys. God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description. Make sure you guys are signed up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Congrats, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.